I'm really happy with the way we were able to manage this beautiful trade on EURUSD. All right, let me just show you what was happening from the very beginning to where we are right now. Okay, so you're going to realize that right here we're able to send this trade right here in the morning. A beautiful QML, low high block of structure. We had a nice liquidity which was created right here, and then we saw the market taking out that liquidity during the London session. Then we saw the market nicely giving us that rejection right there, right here, and this was our trigger to actually enter this particular trade. So we entered this particular trade. Few moments later, we saw the market dropping to this level right here. It was dropping really nicely. You can see it actually broke this area. Once the market broke this structure right here, that was my signal to actually go break even. So we were able to tell the community to actually go break even on this particular trade. And then the market kept on dropping beautifully, as you can see right here. Now the market was up about over 10 hours, and we had secured about 5 hours right here, and all this was communicated in our premium signals community right here. And then the market has continued to push to the downside right here, and right now it's running up. We've locked in about 7 hours locked in. You can see that the first one we were able to lock in about 5 hours from here, and then we had to lock in to and the market is now currently where it is right here. It's really amazing. So let me just show you exactly what was happening. Okay, so if we can go to the higher time frame, and let's zoom out all the way. So what can we see? We can clearly see that this particular trade has been pushing to the downside. Very clear. Okay, what else did we have? If you now zoom in right here, you can see the market was giving us a rally based drop supply zone. Great. So let's see. Very clean setup right here. You can see that a rally based drop supply zone with equal highs which were taken out. Let's drop even further. Let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. So you can see QML, low, high, and break of structure, and then we have nice liquidity left behind right here. Okay, and then what happens? The market comes, takes out this liquidity, reacts beautifully with nice candles, right? You can see we're given that nice candle right there, and then the market dropped a bit and then pushed even further again to that almost coming to our stop loss, and that was just the market trying to play with us. And from there, the market just kept on dropping. We trailed our stop loss to here about 5 hours, and then we trailed the stop loss, and now the market is right here. And this is around 23 hours, 23:30 in my country, and I don't know what's going to happen overnight. That's the reason why I had to record this video, because anything can happen. This market can do something crazy right now and go to the upside, or can continue to drop. And yeah, at the end of the day, nobody knows what's going to happen on this particular market right here. So what do? You just make sure you keep your stop loss trailed in, so that whatever happens, you will get out with at least 7 hours, because the target was 1 to 18 risk reward ratio. And right now the market has gone over 1. Let me just see. Currently the market is pushed over 1 to 11 risk reward ratio, and we've locked in about 1 to 7. So that's a good thing, right? So whatever is going to happen after this trade is none of our business. And guys, that's one thing I love about our strategy, right? We once you get a beautiful trade like this, it covers up everything, literally everything. So make sure you have a series of trade mindset whenever you're trading, because you're going to have losses, but it's beautiful trades like this that are actually going to take care of you. Let me actually show you. So before we took this beautiful trade, let me just show you. When was Monday was 60, right? Yesterday, yeah. So we took this trade on USD card. It ended up going against us. We took a loss on this particular trade. It happens, right? And then the next trade was a re-entry. Guess what? So the first one, we tried to actually get in from here. It didn't work out. So that's the first loss. And then the next one was here. The market took out that high, that low right. It kept this level right here, looking beautiful, and actually reacted nicely, but it didn't actually go in our direction. So you can see the market actually reacted from here a bit, and then went against us, and then we lost. That was the second loss, right? Number 2. And then we took another trade on EURUSD again, 7 pip stop loss. And guess what ended up happening? we actually, I think this one we went break even on this particular trade. It actually hit stop loss, as you can see. Third trade, and it hit our stop loss. All right, and then I spotted another setup again right here. So we hit stop loss. This one, let me just see. This one, I think it was a break-even trade. Let me check. This one was a stop loss. Then we took another trade right here. And this is the trade that we're in right now. Actually, the trade before this was a break-even trade. Where is it? This one right here. This must have been the one which was break-even. Yeah, this one was break-even. So we're able to go break-even right there. So basically, you can count like how many losses. Let me just check. So 1 loss, 2 loss, 3 loss, and then break even. So 3 losses, 1 break even, and then see what happens now. The market gives you a beautiful 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio by simply doing the exact same thing, no difference. It's all about executing, guys. As long as you keep on executing, these wins are going to come. But you have to take all the trades that meet your criteria. You have to take all the trades that meet your criteria. And that's the most important thing. If you just say, because I've taken a loss right now, I can't take the next trade, guess what's going to happen? You'll miss out on such beautiful trades. So I just wanted to record this video and show you guys what happened. I'm really happy on how we're able to actually catch this. We manage this beautifully and everything. All right. So you guys, I really hope you get some value from this video. If you have, make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. And as always, if you're interested in getting our course, the M&F Mastery course, the first link in the description gets you access to that. All right. So take care of yourself. Until next time, goodbye.